We are in Daytona Beach. Daytona Beach is on the East Coast, and this is the Atlantic Ocean. Right now we are at the beach. Sunrise was about a half an hour ago. It was about 30 minutes ago. The sun is bright, so now I'm wearing my sunglasses. Right now it is low tide. The water is pretty far out, and the beach is very wide. You can drive on the beach in Daytona. Daytona is famous for auto racing, for automobile racing. This is soft sand. This is hard sand. Cars can drive on the hard sand. Behind me is a lifeguard tower. A lifeguard is a person who looks out into the ocean to make sure swimmers are safe. The waves form out in the water and they crash on the beach.